Extend your horizons on all terrains.
Lamborghini's iconic Huracan, which made its debut a decade ago, has now come to the end of its production run, with orders already surpassing availability. While the Huracan's legacy continues until 2024, Lamborghini enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating its successor. With a confirmed debut set for late next year, this new supercar promises to redefine the genre. We provide an exclusive rendering and a comprehensive overview of what to expect from Lamborghini's forthcoming masterpiece. Lamborghini's tradition of naming its cars after valiant fighting bulls is expected to continue with the Huracan Successor. This naming convention has characterized Lamborghini's heritage, paying homage to the spirit of bullfighting. Details about the new supercar's moniker remain a closely guarded secret, but it is likely to carry forward this symbolic tradition. The design of the Huracan Successor is poised to be a refined evolution, upholding Lamborghini's distinctive wedge-shaped silhouette. Spy shots reveal that the hexagon motif, an integral part of Lamborghini's visual identity, will take center stage. Notably, the LED daytime running lights feature a hexagonal arrangement, embedded within substantial air intakes. A recognizable low-slung profile and mid-engine layout will continue to characterize the new Lamborghini, maintaining its allure. The most significant transformation in the successor to the Huracan lies beneath its sleek bodywork. Lamborghini, along with the Volkswagen Group, is bidding farewell to the naturally aspirated V10 engine. In its place, a dynamic V8 power plant is rumored, augmented by twin turbochargers. The hybrid nature of the supercar adds an electric motor, positioning it as a plug-in hybrid. The electrified drivetrain promises to provide a surge in power and torque, propelling the new Lamborghini into uncharted performance territory. Lamborghini enthusiasts won't have to wait much longer to witness the Huracan Successor's grand unveiling, set for late next year. Initial deliveries are expected to commence in early 2025. While the base price is still under wraps, it's safe to assume that the Successor will maintain, if not increase, the Huracan's lofty price tag. The intricacies of hybrid powertrains and a dedication to lightweight materials might lead to a premium. However, for the elite few who can afford it, this Lamborghini masterpiece is set to be worth every penny. Lamborghini's Huracan Successor represents the next step in the evolution of supercars, combining a legacy of fierce bull-inspired names, a design honoring the brand's signature hexagon motif, and a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. As the world eagerly awaits its debut, the new Lamborghini promises to redefine what's possible in performance, seamlessly combining tradition with groundbreaking technology. While production of the legendary Huracan winds down, the Successor stands as a beacon of Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and shaping the future of high-performance automobiles. Prepare for a thrilling new chapter in Lamborghini's storied history as the world gets ready to welcome the newest masterpiece from Sant'Agata Bolognese.